How do you know when your dialogue is too long? And how do you cut it without losing the meaning? Unnecessary dialogue usually shows up when characters are explaining instead of revealing. So if your audience already knows the information or they can see it visually, then you don't need the words. Start by asking, does this line actually change anything? If it doesn't shift the emotion, the tone, or the direction of the scene, then it's okay to cut it. The best dialogue either reveals character, creates conflict, or moves the story forward. If a line doesn't do one of those things, it's just filler. Another trick is read your scene out loud. If it sounds like two people politely exchanging information, then you've got a bit of trimming to do. Real conversations are messy. People interrupt, they avoid, and they speak with subtext. Also, you want to cut redundancy. So if two characters say the same thing in different ways, pick the stronger line. Every sentence in a screenplay should earn its place. Avoid over-explaining emotion. If someone is crying, then you don't need them to say, "I'm sad." The action already tells us that. And don't be afraid of silence either. When you remove extra dialogue, moments have room to breathe. You can also replace a weak line with a gesture or a look. Film is visual. Sometimes a glance across the room says everything that words can't. After you trim, read the scene again. If it feels sharper, faster, and more honest, then you've cut the right stuff. Great dialogue isn't about how much your characters say, it's about how little they need to. And that is how to cut unnecessary dialogue. And if you want an easy, low-cost way to put some of this into practice inside of a full script, there is a 10-day screenwriting course linked in the description. It is only $10 AUD if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.